Claiming a brand new iPhone 16 Pro has never been easier, and in this guide, we'll explain the simple steps to follow. First, visit the official giveaway or promotional page associated with the offer. Make sure the website is legitimate and secure, as many scams exist online. Once there, you'll typically need to fill out a short form with basic information like your name, email address, and sometimes your phone number. After submitting your details, you may be asked to complete a few verification steps. These could include confirming your email, answering a survey, or sharing the promotion on social media to increase your chances of winning. Some offers may also require you to download an app or sign up for a free trial, so read the terms carefully. Once all steps are completed, you'll receive a confirmation message, and your entry will be submitted. Winners are usually selected at random and contacted via email, so be sure to check your inbox regularly. Remember, always verify the authenticity of the promotion and avoid providing sensitive financial information. With the right approach and a bit of luck, you could soon be the proud owner of the latest iPhone 16 Pro. To get this, check the description box, then click the link and apply. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like this video and put a comment. For more updates, subscribe my channel.